So, what is communism? Communism is a moneyless, stateless and classless ideology. Under communism there is no private property. Instead, communists believe in a form of personal property. This is determined by the use of an object, as opposed to abstract ownership. For instance, a house. If you eat, sleep, and just generally live in a house, it is yours. You own it because you use it. That is your personal property. A house becomes private property when you no longer live in it, but still maintain ownership over it and charge others for the right to use it. In other words, renting the property. Communism rejects the concept of private property and its effects on society, the economy and production. They instead support common ownership. In short, the communist ideology is that all individuals are equal. There is no upper or lower classes. Everyone works for the government, and instead of being given a wage to reflect their level of work, the profits are shared equally.